Okay, here's my Christmas tree. I don't have any ornaments, and my trees are typically small, potted. So I buy the potted kind, so I can plant them. And you got to make sure it's zoned for your areas, because sometimes they'll sell potted evergreens that are not zoned for your area. Something you'll have to keep in your house. And all my indoor plants die on me. They all commit suicide. And they don't like me. So anyway, so I don't have ornaments, don't want them anyways because they just take up a lot of room that I don't have. And I don't want to pack and unpack them. So this is what I've done. This was a bow that I got. Okay, it was just a bow. It wasn't this right here that I added on. This was a bow that I got from Box Lot at auction. Got the box probably for $1, knowing that auction house. And I've been kind of using it as decorations around the house around, Hanukkah. So what I decided to do, because none of my jewelry's been selling, is I took this, it's an Avon piece, it was on a necklace. And if you see, let me see, I'm going to find it in there without a shadow. So you see that was the charm of the necklace. And if you look on the back side, see, there we go. It's the Avon necklace. It wasn't being used, so I just sewed that on there to make a little bauble on there. And then these things, these are the Vexcom Billy the Exterminator. No, it's not. I wonder if my lens might be a little dirty because it seems to be a little bit unfocused. Anyways, that's what these things are. I don't really know. I don't know if they're zipper pulls or whatever, but they weren't selling either, so I took them and put them on there. Another charm for a necklace. This was the charm just itself. My lens must be dirty because this is out of focus. Yep, that's a little charm right there. That's an Australian crystal with, synthetic stone, birthstone. That was so you can add to your necklace or bracelet, anklet. There's an 8-ball keychain. Only had a couple of them left. Most of them sold. But I had a couple left, so I put them on there. Then I had see this. It's a skeleton keychain. So you can see the chain thing right there, a little clasp. So I put that one on there. Now I had a bunch of jewelry, and I don't remember where I got it, but it's the charms. Let me see, these are fashion accessories, something, little charms for people who make their own jewelry. And I just decided to do, man, this is pretty dark. You can't really see very well, but anyways, I just put the charms on there. I didn't even have to make a loop for it because it already had this plastic on there in the package. Here's a little rabbit that I bought from a crafter at a local craft store called Skyview Square. It's in Adrian, Michigan. I sell my stuff there and I buy stuff there. And as long as I have to wear a mask, I will not be going there. So when mask season is over, I will go back there and buy a bunch of stuff. But anyway, some local crafter made that. And I hung that on there. And there's another thing. Oh, there's a little mummy keychain. Don't remember where I got this from. But, I sewed that little cross on there years ago. That's just been hanging around. Here's another charm. And another charm, another one of them charms to make jewelry. Here's a little bat. I don't remember where I got the bat. I might have gotten the bat from Skyview Square. Let me see if I can bring this into the light. See that? I think I might have gotten it from Skyview Square. I'm not sure. I'll put where Skyview Square is on the in the description if I remember. Hopefully I remember. I sell my stuff there. It's has a It's a printing store, and on the side, because the man had so much extra room, he decided to use the extra space to open to vendors to sell their items. Now here's, let's see if I can show you this. Okay, get that in the light. There's another thing that was made from the vendors at Skyview Square. It's another a keychain. If you look, you can see the keychain. Let me see. So I think I got all the charms I got on there, the variety I got. Right here, and I do have a little angel right here. That was, I don't know if that was an earring or a medallion or whatever. But that was another one that I had. So I just put a little hook on it, one of the more Christmas hooks. You see? And hung that on there. Yep, and then in the summertime, this will be planted outside. And I'll put a cage around it. You know, one of the like chicken wire, chicken fence around it so nothing will eat it. Oh, here's one more over here. Oh, it's turned around. Let me see, I'll turn this back around. Yeah, well, I'll just show it to you. Jeez, oh Pete, I need to clean that lens, because it is not focusing. So it's a little butterfly, and I put a little hook on it. That's another charm. Egg. This thing does not want to. Okay, I'm going to have to put that on there. Okay, so we're going to make you seasick here. I'm going to show you my little workstation here. Simply Hers magazine. But this is the mark. That's the. I wish I would have cleaned this lens. That's the charm. This was what that Avon charm it was in. It has the new necklaces in there. You can hear it. But anyways, these are the Prestazzi, I think these are called. Prestazzi. These are the charms that I'm using to make. I have a whole bunch of these, a whole box full of these things. I'm making my ornament bottle. This one's called Fashion Accessories. See that? And it has the plastic in there. You know, and I take like, when I run out of these little hooks, because I gave all my hooks away, I only have a few left. When I get, I'm going to cut these down, clip them with the clippers, cut it down and then bend them, and make another, you know, make two hooks out of one, because these hooks are too long for the little tree I have. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to be using this wire to make more little hooks. So anyways, this is my little workstation over here. This is what I'm doing. This was my project today, along with just housework. Okay, I think my partner's on. Goodbye.